Hello everybody and welcome to the Hygiene Star, the online video seminar by German company Akut SOS Clean. We would like to give you and your employees basic information about germs, their elimination and comprehensive disinfection. No matter whether you want to disinfect a mobile phone or a computer mouse, Akut SOS Clean has been informing and advising customers on the subject of hygiene for over 25 years, and that worldwide. Marcel and his team clean aircrafts, hospitals, kindergartens and other public facilities. Since the outbreak of the coronavirus, Marcel and his team have been in great demand, and hygiene is more in focus than ever before. In our video seminar Hygiene Star, we would like to show you in a comprehensive, understandable and entertaining way how you and your employees can develop a better awareness of cleanliness, sterility and infection protection.